Another component of a computer is output devices. These devices are used to display the processed data or result to the user. The main output devices are monitor, printer, speaker, headphone, and projector. Let us know more about these output devices. Monitor is the most common output device. A monitor is a screen that is used to display the output, such as text and graphics. Monitors are of two types: cathode ray tube or CRT and flat panel displays. CRTs are cheaper and have good viewing angle, but they are also bulkier and consume more power. On the other hand, the flat panel displays have no magnetic interference and are lighter. They are also costlier. A printer takes processed data from the computer and generates a hard copy of the same. Printers are commonly used to print text data and images. It converts the soft copy into the hard copy. A soft copy is an electronic copy of some type of data, such as a file or image that is viewed on a computer's display, while a hard copy is the printed copy of that document. There are three main types of computer printers, namely inkjet, laser, and dot matrix. A speaker is an output device through which we can hear sound. Without a speaker, we will not be able to listen to music. Headphones give sound output from the computer. They are similar to speakers, except they are worn on the ears, so only one person can hear the output at a time. Projector is an output device with which an image and text is projected onto a flat screen. A projector is often used in meetings or to make presentations. It allows the display to be visible to many people.